Hello, this is Pine Clock Picking, and today we're going to be attempting to pick an antique master lock. I believe a number 77. That is the front. And that is the back of the lock. So I don't know if anybody out there that is smarter than me would be able to give me how old this lock actually is. But this is the key. Get that out of the way. And that's the other side. I do only have one key with this lock. It does work. Lock it back up. And let's see if we can get this thing picked. And that's all it took. Here, we'll lock it up one more time just to make sure that was not a fluke or an accident. Alright, where are we at? Oop. Maybe it was. There we go. Perfect. She is open. And another little cool thing is this does open either way. You can go that way, or you can go that way. Anyway, if anybody can tell me anything about this lock, that would be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day, evening, morning, night, wherever you're at in the world. Peace.